What's up, guys? Guys, that was just something. Okay, enough of that.
Can you hear it? I'm gonna keep the camera, which is connected to the microphone down here.
Okay. So the last video, I didn't know how like bad it sounded. So let's just change it. Oh god. Oh god, this game must have had a big update. I haven't played it in a while. Even before I didn't, I wasn't used to it. It took me a long time to get back in. This game, what's a bad animation? Okay, that's good. Oh god. No. Oh! How's that fair? That's it. Oh, dang it. I died. That with minigames are just a bunch of minigames. I'll choose a random one. Conveyor Condoria, map by Listen by Valley. Arsenal Irrational Rainbows. I can't read that. I'm putting my mouth really close to the mic. Okay. If it's too loud, then I'll have to try to move the camera back up. So it's actually going to be a little bit. Oh yeah, sorry, you might hear my brother, my dad in the background. Nothing to worry about. So this was actually easy. Into the pit, I must admit. I come on, to the past the day. That's what I'm loving. I have memories. There used to be. Ooh. I died. I get so close and then like the last foot and dead. Oh no! Guys, actually guys, minus 100. Deploy. I have nothing to shoot. My blue team, can't really know. So I just go crazy until I kill someone who's on the team that it killed. Oh no, I'm blue. But I think they start on this side. I'm going to Red's Hill. Red Side's Hill. Oh, I could crawl. I hate. I want to be the person who's on the hill. Oh no. He's a slug. Or worse than that. I did not trust that man. It was not to be trusted. Ooh, I'm there are not a lot of people here. Your team should not team. Oh, so I'm red. Now. You're kidding me. This is a little like Among Us one stage where all the imposter. So we see you when you try. I have a Glock. That's a good thing. I like my Glocks all the time. I like my Glocks clean and cool and bright. And neon. Like neon glocks. Glock. I like my glocks. And my knives. My glocks. No, I like my glocks. Glock. Guys, keep spamming in chat. Glock. Now they're just making me hit tab. SMH. I didn't kill anyone. SMH. Which means sigh. Ooh, I see you when you try. I want this one. Deploy. I have a better gun. Equip. Okay. It's pretty silent. Makes me feel dead. What? There's just dead inside. Makes me feel dead inside. Silent. Oh, dang it! I did not know there was blood in this. Well, it turns out there is. And that's okay. Dang it, I shot him. He just got wrecked. That might be me. Oh, okay. I did it, my first kill. And then I killed before in Roblox, not in real life though. Ooh, I see you when you try. I'm using my Glock. Easy. First blood award? What? So, I got my first kill earlier. So if you're talking about first kill, I don't know what you're even thinking of. Your whole entire life. Okay, let's go. Capture the sea. Capture the flag. Well, I'm not protecting the sea, it's boring. Okay. A. Let's go to A. Dang it! I was gonna collect the A. And then now he's trying to get our C. Let's try this one. It has a better aim. This one looks good. That's 10 fires, so it better be good. Look at that. Shh. Okay. No. Ooh, better eat. Guys, let me know if there's any whole other games you want me to play after. To be honest. Oh god. Easy. Please kill. Yeah. That was an easy kill though. It says 1, 2, 3, easy. Okay, deploy then. I like this gun. I might equip it every time I play this game. Collected the flag. I already collected the flag. B is being collected. Oh no!